outset, let me congratulate each one of you who have joined. You have passed this TY in this year, and I'm sure each one of you have done well in this examination, and now looking forward for more career options with PG courses and alike. So I welcome you all. I congratulate you all. Uh, Along with me, I have CA Darshak Doshi sir, who is the coordinator for two new upcoming programs in MCom. I also have Professor Rima Madam, who is coordinating MCom Banking and Finance, and Professor Payal Madam, who is coordinating MCom Advanced Accounting. So I welcome all the faculties also. And in next hour or so, each one of them will be sharing with you the program details. They will also address your queries and whatever doubts you have. We also have Mr. Rajesh Dedia sir with us. Good morning, sir, and welcome you to this meeting. Mr. Rajesh sir is also a part of the team who is working on two new MCom programs. It's part of the development. It's part of the rolling out of this program. So I welcome Rajesh sir also. And without taking much of your time, I request Darshak sir to take over because he is the coordinator for MCom new programs. One is Global Wealth Management and another one is Financial Research and Technical Analysis. So with these few words, I hand it over to Darshak sir. Darshak, over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tambi sir. Uh, I welcome you all for this session where we will be telling you about the MCom courses which are offered by the college. At the onset, I would like to congratulate you all for successfully clearing up your graduation and now looking up for the master's degree. Uh, without wasting your time, I would like that let Rajesh sir give the initial remarks about the course, and then I'll be following it up with it. Rajesh sir, Rajesh sir,
Hello.
yes sir,
Hello.
please go ahead.
Yeah. Good morning, all of you. There are 75 students attending this program. Let me talk directly about MCom. Usually, all these years, we had people doing MCom for. There was always a question why they do MCom. Why not some professional program? Why not CA? Now, I ask all of you, all the students here sitting, 75 students, why not chartered accountancy or why not chartered CS, company secretary, or why not law? Now, all those people who have failed or missed out on the opportunity of becoming a professional, uh, all of you might be commerce student and have missed out on CA because public बोलता है CA बहुत difficult है or CS is difficult. So now we were and I Darshak were thinking about a program which should be a MCom recognized by Mumbai University. At the same time, uh, it gives you an opportunity to become a professional. So isn't it a good idea where students complete as soon as they complete in MCom can also become a chartered and say not chartered accountant but chartered wealth manager or chartered market technician, that is technical analysis. So we have designed a unique program, and this two program which I'm talking about is MCom in Global Wealth Management and MCom in Financial Research and Technical Analysis. These two programs are designed to become, after completing this program, you can become a professional. Number one, you can start practice as a wealth manager or as a technical analyst. You can take up a job if you want with banks and financial institutes, broking companies, and mutual fund industry. So these are two programs which are unique. It's on its in its case, and been only college in India. SIS college is the only college in India offering this unique MCom program, which leads you to become a professional, not just an Indian professional, but both the programs are leading you to become a global professional. Lot of students go to US, UK, Australia, Canada to study further. There is no need. Now, this program has come to India, and many such programs will come in future in India, which will stop students going abroad and wasting money. You can study this program, which are global in nature, and making you a professional. I think this is an introduction. Darshak, you can take over. Hello.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So
Yes.
students,
Darshak, you can
yeah,
take over.
yes, sir. Thank you so much, Rajesh, sir. So students, these are the five basic reasons why you should enroll into MCom Global Wealth Management or maybe MCom Financial Research and Technical Analysis. So basically, based on your need or based on your expertise or based on your aspirations, you should join either of the two courses. And what is the reason behind it? There are no courses which will give you a full-time master's degree when it comes to wealth management or maybe financial research and technical analysis. So this is the only course which is available in Mumbai in your college,
In
where it
India,
will give
rather.
you where it will give you a full-time master's degree in global wealth management and financial research, which will make you job ready from day one. Okay. Second point is that there are eminent industry experts who will be coming down to the college and will be taking up lectures for you. So it is not just the professionals, but along with the professionals, eminent industry experts will take up lectures. The most important thing which a student will always look for is the timing of the course. So the timing of the course is in the evening and majority of the lectures are there on the weekend. So you have the whole week where you can work. Okay, so you would say that, sir, why do we work? No worries, if you don't want to work, fine, but we can also provide you with an internship. Okay, a paid internship and assistance will be given by the college. So Monday to Friday you work with a BFSI organization, that is from the banking and finance sector, which is aligned to your course. You learn all the practical aspects over there, you learn theory aspects over there, and in the industry expert lectures you combine your theoretical aspects, your knowledge, as well as the practical aspects. How does the industry go ahead? Fourth point is your international chartership. That is, along with this course, you will have your chartered wealth manager or maybe chartered market technician based on which course you have taken up. That can be added to your resume. So as soon as you pass your MCom, you will get this degrees as well. And last thing, important, sir, this course has been done. What should we do now? So that is your placement assistance. So we have various tie-ups with the BFSI sector organizations, and they will give you placements. So from day one, when you complete your master degree, you will have your job on hand. During this course of 2 years, you have 2 years of experience in the degree what you are doing, in the field what you are going to go ahead. So these are the various reasons which we feel that you should take up this course, which are professional in nature. These courses are somewhere aligned with your MBA degrees. So if you do not wish to do an MBA which is general in nature, you can do a professional degree which you over here are going to get a focus on the wealth management or maybe technical research and technical analysis. So any questions, any doubts from your side, everyone? You can please write down in chat or maybe you can unmute and speak up.
Yes. Yes, Geeta.
So my name is Ashwini,
Okay.
not Gita. So my doubt was, if I take up the course of global management and simultaneously I'm studying for my CAT exam, whether it
Right.
will be helpful for me to prepare for the CAT exam syllabus?
It will not be helpful, but you can do any two programs together. There is no restriction. You can do MCom Global Wealth Management and your CAT if you are interested in. But I tell you one thing. Uh, CAT is you are preparing for your entrance exam, right? For MBA.
Yes, sir. I'm preparing for CAT 2022.
Okay, I tell you one thing very to all the students. I'm not negative about MBA, but if you compare between MBA and this program, MBA does not lead you to any profession. It is designed for you to take up a job in corporates. You cannot practice as an MBA anywhere. Have you seen any MBA practicing? No. So this program, MCom in Global Wealth Management and Financial Research and Technical Analysis, are these two programs designed for you to practice in future. At the same time, you have got opportunity to take a job also. So you can prepare for a CAT or you can do MBA also, but as you prepare for a CAT will complete in a year, and then this program is of 2 years. So you need to take care of your timings. Year, how do you manage? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I got it.
So adding to what Rajesh sir said that when you start with your CAT preparations, you have that time. Okay, during that time, if you enroll into MCom courses, what happens is that you complete a year or so doing a professional type of a course, which is MCom Global Wealth Management or Financial Research and Technical Analysis, and going ahead you can do. But Ashwini, I wanted to know that as this course is what you are looking at, global wealth management or maybe financial research and technical analysis, those are more specialized in nature than what you are currently looking for, MBA finance. So I wanted to know that why do you want to do something which is general in nature, where you have something which is specific in nature of your interest?
Sir, actually, I'm telling a foolish reason because the lectures are in the evening batch, and evening for me it's very difficult to travel from Kalyan till Saint. That's why I'm preparing for my CAT exam and with MBA. My childhood dream was to become an MBA only.
Okay.
No,
Others.
that's such an MBA is such a popular program. Every second person would be interested in doing. You can do it, no problem. We have no issue.
Any other students? Any other doubts? Any
Hello,
questions?
sir. Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, I had a doubt. Like, if a person is already working, is already into a job, how will
Mhm.
he manage this course? Like, how will he attend this
Okay.
if he's
So
willing?
okay. If you just see that our course timings are in the evening, so that is what we have aligned our course wherein a fresh graduate or maybe a industry professional, if they would like to do, uh, it's Tuesday to Thursday. The lectures will be for preparatory basis. Okay, and Friday evening, Saturday and Sunday are the core lectures, which is a
Can you
must
can
for
you
you to
repeat
attend.
this?
So Tuesday to Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These 3 days we have preparatory lectures which will happen in the evening, maybe 5 to 7 or 6 to 8, based on your requirements. And Friday evening, Saturday, and Sunday. These are the major focus areas where we will be taking core lectures. Okay, and Sunday we will be inviting industry experts, eminent faculties who will be giving you insight about the subject as well as what is actually required on field when you pass out. So all those industry professionals who would like to do this course, we have Saturdays and Sundays focus where you all are not working.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh.
We are waiting for you students. Any other doubts or queries?
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Gaurav. I actually wanted to know basically like what is a basic comparison between these two courses? Like both are focused towards finance. So uh, I would like to know about the basic difference between these two courses.
Okay.
Yeah,
I would say Rajesh sir is the best
yeah,
person
yeah,
right now available who can tell you
yeah,
the
yeah.
difference between two courses.
I tell you, Darshak, who's this? Who's the student there?
Gaurav.
Gaurav. Now you see, there are two things that there are. These both are from same finance and capital market related programs, but global wealth management is talking about a professional qualification who will who becomes a professional in managing the wealth of individuals. Say, for example, uh, there are a lot of individuals here who are busy making money, but they don't know where to invest, how to manage tax, what returns one should get out of investments, various investments. So this is global wealth management. MCom in global wealth management program is designed for making an individual a, a professional who will manage the wealth of an individual. That is number one. Number two, as far as MCom in financial research and technical analysis is concerned, there this person is more focused on research, on what to buy or what to sell for, and uh, he can actually guide individuals and corporates on technical part of market. Like every broking firm has a technical analyst to give us idea on what to sell and what to buy, what stock should buy, what stock one should sell. And when you talk about technical analysis, it's not just share bazaar. It has to do with commodities market. It has to do with stock exchange. It is good forest market. Wherever there is a price fluctuation in the market, the technical analysis comes in picture. So technical analysis is more a desk job, and global wealth management is more to do with interaction with clients, one to one.
Okay.
But
So,
yeah.
to add up to what Rajesh sir is saying, global wealth management will give you a area of wealth manager, and wherein your financial research and technical analysis will give you a area which is in research as a research analyst. Okay, so wealth manager can be of an individual, can be of a company as well. But it is about how to, do a protection program, or maybe increasing your wealth, wherein your research analysis is about where to do any investment, maybe through, a fundamental analysis or technical analysis, whatever it is. But research is the area as a research analyst and as a wealth manager. These are the two core areas what we have bifurcated.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, one more thing I like to add. I think Darshan talk about it, but still I like to tell you is we have tied up with American Academy of Financial Management uh, for you to give you a chartered. You after completing your MCom, you can appear for one exam, which is an MCQ, and you become a chartered wealth manager, which is a globally recognized program and also recognized in India by Securities Exchange Board of India. So you become a chartered and you can get a license to practice in India as a wealth manager after completing global wealth management. And after completing MCom in financial research and technical analysis, you can appear for 2 to 3 exams or and become a chartered market technician. We have a tied up, and the people from this American bodies will also come and deliver lecture. So you become a chartered market technician, which is also recognized by India by SEBI, and you become a technical analyst in India. So you can also get license to practice in India and we are also in the process. We have not yet finalized it. It will take some time, but by the time you complete your MCom, it will be done. We are talking to SEBI to recognize this program as a minimum qualification for somebody to become a wealth manager and research analyst. So that is it. You understand what exactly done. These two MCom programs are not MCom programs, but they are both professional program in nature. The syllabus of CWM and CMT has been actually merged, and we have done a combination of two certifications. You can call it as a program or dual certificate, dual program. They are dual in nature. Yes, Darshan.
Yes, sir. Other students, any other doubt?
Hello.
Yes, sir. So, students, if you all do not have any doubts or queries, we can pass on this whole session to Payal madam and Rima madam, who will be, telling you all about MCom in accountancy and MCom in banking and finance.
Darshan, one
So,
thing, one
yeah, yes,
last
sir.
thing,
Yes, sir.
one
Yes,
last
sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
All the students might be worried. Many people don't ask questions when another 70 people are listening to them. So I am Rajesh Dedia. You can take down my number. 98199 I repeat,
Sir, you can write
981.
down in sir, you can write
Yes.
down in chat. I'll be also
Okay.
sharing with everyone the email IDs for inquiries and
Okay. When you're
other
sharing the
things.
poster, my
So
number is there. My
sure,
number is there.
sure.
You can, I can any student can call anytime, even today and tomorrow, anytime after 5 days also, no problem. Thank you.
Sir, one more last question I'm asking. What would be the cutoff percentage for these courses? Like if someone is getting 55 to 50%, whether they will get admission in this course?
So we have certain exams which you need to give before you are enrolled into it. So those are the basic preparatory exams. We will be once you inquire for it, we will be sharing with you all those details, and then you can go ahead. So it is not your only your graduation degree marks which will be considered. Along with the graduation degree marks, the entrance exam which we would be taking up will also have an equal weightage. So that is where how the admissions into the course will take place.
Can we know the fees as well?
Yeah, so the fees for these two courses will be 75,000 per year, uh, and that will sum up to around 1.5 lakh
Sorry,
rupees.
sir, what's the fees you told? What's the fees?
I did not get you. The voice is cracking a lot.
I asked, what's the fees you told? Fees.
75,000 rupees per year.
For
Along with
both?
that, I think Rajesh sir wanted to speak something. Sir, about the internship, paid internship, if you can speak up.
I can tell you, if all the students who have the sir said 75,000 rupees is the fees. Now I tell you what the fees. If a student is having an issue of paying fees, he will get a bank loan which I can arrange for him. He or she can return the bank loan after he gets his first job. So after 3 years, he can return the loan. That is that is a facility given by the bank. Number one. Number two, as soon as you join the program and if you want to do some internship, I can help you in placing you where will be a paid incentive. You may not get much, but you can take care of your fees. So there is no question of fees. By the time you complete the 2 years, you will be making that type of money as far as fees is concerned. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay,
I
sir,
think
got it.
students must have got what they wanted. Sir, let us pass on the baton to Reema ma'am and Pal ma'am. They are eagerly waiting to introduce their courses and tell students about that. Pal ma'am, Reema ma'am, you can take over.
Thank you. Good morning, students. So let me quickly share the slide. Okay, so I'll be talking about MCom accountancy and MCom banking and finance. Most of you would know that we have been having this course in our college for quite some time now. So we will discuss a bit about syllabus and the timings, etc. of the course. Just to add to the discussions that we already had. You all are commerce graduates and inclined to be in the finance industry. One of the things that you need to look at is, and especially because people spoke about MBA, etc., you should know cost to benefit ratio. By now, you all are aware how to calculate that. You should understand what is the amount that you're investing for your course and what is the return that you are going to get. And also note that irrespective of what the course is, it's what you're going to deliver in your interview or in your way you understand a subject and the way you talk about it that will give you a best edge when you're looking at competition in the job market. So that is something is on you. Okay, so with that, I'll start about the course details. This is a full-time 2 years post-graduation degree. We obviously have academic and industry experts. Our timings are from 7:20 to 9:20. Now, the question people would ask is, it's too early, or traffic, and I won't be able to reach. Should I attend? My answer to that is, if you're doing a course while you're working, you are already taking that extra effort. There are people who are comfortable with a 9 to 5 job after graduation, and they don't bother about doing anything extra. Weekends are for them to party and stuff. But you are not that. You want to do something about your career. You want to have an edge on your CV, and that's why you're already sacrificing while you're working. You're taking that extra pain and efforts to do a course, a master's program. So, you give that benefit to yourself. Since you're anyway spending, since you're anyway taking that effort, take that extra effort to attend class. And one of the important thing about attending class, apart from getting knowledge and marks, is networking, which you would know by now that it's an important aspect for professional development. So this attending classes gives you a good edge in networking with your students who are from different job profile, and also the faculties who come from different industry background. So that is an benefit you get. So we have ensured that the timings that you have is early, so that you can come to the college, attend your lectures, and then go to your office. Okay, and of course, we would be helping you all in internship and placement opportunities. This is your evaluation pattern. For most of you who are doing graduation, who did graduation here, would have an idea. This is how the evaluation would be done. Now, career options for students in banking and finance specialization. I'm sure you already know about it, but this is just, and there could be a big long list we can go on adding. It's not restricted to this list alone. So I now move on to your syllabus. This information is available, and the detailed syllabus copy is also available on our college website. You can go through it. You can compare it with other programs that you're considering, and you can take an informed decision if you would like to take up a course like this, which specializes in either banking and finance or accountancy. Note that the part 1 syllabus for banking and finance and accountancy is the same. It's only in the second year that you get into the specialization. So the syllabus for banking and finance for the second year, that is SEM3 and SEM4, is on your screen. So go through it, and the detailed syllabus of this also is available in the college website. Okay, this is some specific career options available for accountancy specialization. Take a minute, and this is the syllabus for your MCom accountancy for the second year. So if you would have compared, the banking and finance focuses on more of financial side of it, whereas accountancy focuses more on accounting. So that's and taxation. That's what it is about. All right, you could contact us for further information. We would be available in college office also. You could get the details relating to admissions, etc. And now I opened for questions. Any questions you all have for me?
Ma'am, I have 3 questions. The first question is type of admission. Like if somebody is getting 55 to 50%, like B grade or C grade, whether they are eligible to get admission to Tamil minority quota or in-house quota is there for such courses?
So all
Wait. And let me answer. Students, there is no in-house quota for MCom. In MCom, the admission process is same like you all had it in UG courses of BAF, BBI, BFM. So you will have to apply in Tamil minority, other linguistic minority, or open quota.
What was the cutoff percentage last year's Tamil minority in this courses?
That you have to check the website about it when we start with the admission process and all. We can't say because every year it keeps on changing. So in masters, we can't say which is the lower cutoff. But I can just tell you, you apply wherever you are eligible. We will let you know. There will be a merit list prepared for all the quotas, open Tamil minority as well as under linguistic minority, that is Tulu, Kannada, Malayali, etc.
Just note that with 50-55%, you're eligible to apply. Whether your name will come on merit list is depends on a lot of other things, but you're eligible to apply. Does that answer your question, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
Tentatively,
What
when
about-
are the admissions starting?
I didn't hear you.
Tentatively,
The
when are
admission,
the
yeah,
admissions?
right. So that details will be put up on the college notice board. Like now we are currently in the process of admission for first years of graduation. Similarly, the detailed notice of MCom will be also put up, and you could go through that.
I actually wanted to ask what would be the, attendance needed, like 75% or anything like that?
So see, what I have already spoken about this is that the idea is you attend as much as you can. And now I can only tell you why you should attend much more and making that extra efforts to attend more is because this you're giving 2 years to boost your career. So go all in. Just don't do it for the certificate because you want to show at the end of the day to people that you know what you have done. What is there in your certificate is also there in your mind. Okay, that's one. Second, very important, which
Yes.
we don't understand the real importance of, is the networking impact effect. Okay, the way it will help you cross bridges through networking is amazing in the world, in the industry and business world. So that is something is should be your motivation. And in networking, I'm not just saying your classmates and friends for going out for dinner or movies. It's for your career growth, and it includes faculties who come, etc. That would be another added advantage of attending regularly. Having said that, we understand that you all are working, and your office will have its own requirement where you may sometimes have to stay back late or go early or whatever that is. We are
Yes, exactly.
sensitive to that. We are sensitive to that aspect. So I don't think attendance should be a problem for you from that sense. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does. Thank you so much. I thought there was 50% I will have to attend, otherwise I will not be able to give the exams or anything like that, you know?
Okay, don't think that should be an issue.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what are the fees for MCom and both the courses, accountancy and banking?
The fees are around 27,000 plus minus around per year. So whatever is 27 agara, it will be displayed on a website. Exact
Per
fees
year
will-
means MCom part 1 or full part 1, part 2
only
combined?
part 1 separate and part 2 separate fees. 27,500 or 28,000, you can say around 28,000.
Okay.
The fees are there. Uh,
Okay, just one more clarification because I'm not sure how it works. So I have done BCom, but can I still go for banking and finance, or do I have to go for the accountancy?
No, dear, you can choose either. You can even choose the other courses that Darshak sir mentioned.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So the basic eligibility for a student to get into the MCom courses may it be accountancy, banking finance, global wealth management, or financial research and technical analysis, is being a graduate in commerce. So anyone doing a BSM, that is Bachelor's of Commerce, specialization in financial markets, or maybe say BAF, Bachelor's of Commerce in accounting and finance, or maybe a BCom, where it is Bachelor's of Commerce. So at the end, what you have done is a Bachelor's of Commerce, which will make you eligible to be into MCom, may it be advanced accounting or may it be banking, finance, global wealth management, or financial research and technical analysis. Along with that, all those students who have done BMS, Bachelor's of Management Studies, are also allowed to be part of this four courses. So based on what is your area of interest, you can choose up the course.
All right. Thank you so much.
Sir, my last question is for MCom banking and accounting, there is no entrance exam, right? Like it is for global management.
No, there is no entrance exam for it. You'll be given admission based on your graduation marks.
So entrance exam is there only for global management.
Yes, for the two professional courses, what we are going to launch this year, we'll be having a short entrance exam.
Any other questions, students?
Hello, good.
Yes, Ravi.
Ma'am, I had one question. In the accountant MCom accountancy, do we also go through all our TDS filing, quarterly, annual computation, ITR, and everything?
See, Ravi, the details tax as a subject is there, and the detailed syllabus is put up on the college website. So I mean, yes is the answer for you, quick answer for you, but I would recommend you to go and look at the detailed syllabus.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So just to add on that, for all of you, guys, go through the website and look at the detailed syllabus of all the courses and make an informed choice. So is that something that, the content in the syllabus will add value to your CV and value to your knowledge, and help in for those who are already working, will it help you get to the next level with that additional syllabus? Is something that you can do. It's not that is this course good or that course is good. It's the question is which is good for me. That's the question you need to answer, and that only you can answer. And to help in the process, one, everybody must do is go and look at the syllabus. On the college website, this information is available for all the courses. Go and look at the detailed subject and take an informed decision on that. Anybody, any other questions?
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask, does the the degree we do from college versus the one we do directly from Mumbai University distance learning, does it have the equal value?
Students.
Obviously, there is a difference between the distance learning and a full-time course. So you should always look at what is there for offered at your end. So if at all at any point of time you feel that you can attend the lectures, you can gain knowledge out of it and do a networking which Reema ma'am suggested. It is better to have a full-time degree than a distance learning, because maybe any course what you're looking at, you will be having certain industry professionals as a teacher or maybe as a student, as your colleague sitting in the class. So that will always give you an added advantage or an edge to your course. Looking at that, you already know what is required in the industry. You get that experience, or you get those things as a rub off from your colleagues who are sitting along with you. That this is what you need to do in office. Okay, so being an expert, or maybe being a person who is there in the industry, speaking that this is what we do in the office, vis-a-vis what you are learning, makes a difference on a degree which has a distance learning.
Okay.
I think Reema ma'am wanted
Yeah.
to speak.
Just to add to that, guys, distance learning of any course, whether it is MCom or MBA or any of it, distance learning is not treated at par with regular course. So industry recognizes it. It's something that you can add on your CV, but it is not looked at par And some of the qualifying exams, or some of the, for people who may want to do PhD or any of it, they may not consider distance learning. Some institutes and some organizations may not consider. So if given a choice, avoid distance learning of anything, even MBA included.
Kajal has asked a question that she's preparing for a bank PO exam, and whether the banking finance MCom will help her out. I feel, Kajal, that you should look at the syllabus which is posted onto the college website, which will give you a brief idea as to what is there for your bank PO exams and what is offered in MCom banking and finance. Uh, and if Rima ma'am or Pavam can add it to this, that would be great.
No, I guess you fairly answered that, Ashwin. Any other questions, guys?
Ma'am,
Sorry, ma'am, for the weird question. I just opened the website. I'm not getting the cutoff list for last year. How to check to get the cutoff list? Where should I go
Okay.
and check exactly?
No, Ashwini, a couple of things here. Last year's cutoff list is not a representation of this year. So there's no point checking, and I don't think we should give that information out. It's not an information that is available. And it's not even a representation. So this year, see, the cutoff list also depends on the overall percentage of the university, which changes every year, right? So I don't think you should be worried about cutoff. If you really feel that worried, keep a backup college somewhere it is a sure shot availability. So I don't know how cutoff list will help you, and I don't think we give that information either. Yeah, Ravi, you had another question.
Yeah, ma'am, as previously when you mentioned for the admission process, notice will be put up on the college notice board. So it also be on the college website, because maybe if we are not able to.
Yeah. I probably misspoke. It is available on college website, and also we could be sharing it with our, because all of you are alumni, and we will be each course. Like for example, I would be sharing it in BFM's batch or earlier batch. Those details I'll share it. So I'm sure all other faculties would do that same for the respective, and you're still in that WhatsApp group of 2021, 21, 22, etc. So we'll be sharing that. No worries.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Okay. Anybody? Any more questions, guys? See, also, if you are not able to come up with any questions, and like Sir already mentioned, that if you want to and are not comfortable asking those questions here, you can always talk to us. Most of you have either of our numbers, or you have our email IDs, or you have access to college. It's your own college. You can always come and check with us. So all that information we can share with you as and you go. Request you all to take it. Take an informed decision, to analyze everything and take the choice of the course. It's your career in question. Any other questions, students?
I feel the students have got requisite details for all the courses, and if at all they have, they are any which is welcomed in the college, or may contact any of us for the further details. I would like to thank Tambit sir for giving us such a good idea to give on all those details to you students. I would also like to thank Rima ma'am and Pal ma'am to join me up and uh, you know give all those details for MCom accountancy as well as banking and finance. I would also thank Rajesh sir for his time giving in for details about the global wealth management and financial research and technical analysis. Thank you, students, for joining and giving your precious time. We would be looking ahead for you in one of the course at least for your master's degree. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Students, you can log off. Thank you all.